Good morning. Kerri and Dale here. We are here on May 29th here in Fellsmere, Florida. We're going to be taking a little ride over the trail that goes over the 95 highway. As I said, it's May 29th and today is Memorial Day. That is the day here in the United States that we remember those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for our freedoms. And we're going to insert a video now of the actual bridge we'll be going over.
It is a beautiful morning.
It is.
Might rain a little bit though. Morning.
Morning.
So as Kerri stated, it is Memorial Day. Early morning, it's about, did you say what time it was?
No, I didn't. It's
About
9:42.
9:42 in the morning. Outside of Vero Beach, Sebastian area. Morning. Another part of the rail trail series, right?
Yep.
So we are heading west towards 95. If you go the opposite way, obviously we'd be heading towards the ocean. But where we picked the trail up, it was not paved. So on the way back, we'll have to take a quick look at that to see if there's actually more trails that way or what might go on there.
It's nice. There's no real sun. It makes it easier to ride.
As Kerri stated, for those that drive on 95 through Sebastian Vero Beach area, know the little rail bridge that kind of covers the road is for bikes and pedestrians. Every single time we've driven by, it's like, ooh, let's go check that out, and
Here we are.
we're trying to figure out how to get to it. And it looks like it might just be right ahead already.
Trying to figure out what that noise was, if it's like bugs or
Yeah, like cricket type thing.
cricket type.
Do you know the name of the
cicadas.
park that we just parked at, or where that was?
I don't remember the name of it.
We'll figure that out and maybe try to insert that in as text just so that we can measure how far we are from it. Okay, we are approaching the city of Fellsmere.
Coming up behind.
So we're averaging about 10 miles per hour on our bike here. At least that's what my watch is saying.
I have 11.8 right now, but yeah, 10.5 miles an hour is what mine is saying.
Okay, and here comes the bridge over 95, I think. Florida Hill.
Yep.
Okay. Here's looking northbound. Here's southbound. That's the exit we got off at, 156. It's got one of the few Dairy Queen grill and chills in the area. Okay. We'll continue taking this westbound to see if anything interesting happens. Ooh, what do we got? Some type of
Like a big old
horse over here.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Huh.
It might be more like
I'm thinking more like army training.
police
or yeah,
slash military or something.
somebody. I don't think it's open to the public.
Yeah, it doesn't look like public. There wasn't enough safety stuff for public.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, now it becomes
Okay,
more
we do
gravel.
go into a more of a rougher surface.
Woo.
Well, this will be a good test of the camera stabilization.
Yeah.
there goes the mount. Here, wait a second, Kerri. Okay, after a little struggle with this mount. Okay, 1 second here. I still got to straighten this out here. I guess that's okay. All right, let's see where we go here. This thing. Let's see here. Trans-Florida Central Rail Trail developed by the city.
Looks like it ends just up ahead. There's some type of animal up there.
Looks like it does end. Let's go find out the end here. Let's see what the sign says.
Some type of animal up ahead. Might be a, it looked like a bigger bird from here. What is that?
What is what?
Those animals up there.
Those are just little birds.
Well, they look like big birds to me. They look like almost
Pheasants,
like
probably.
ducks. Yeah.
Fellsmere standard. Looks like it might be you can hike it more, but obviously we're not taking the bikes back there.
Yeah. And there's a gate, so they don't want you going there.
What does this little thing here say? Looking for volunteers. Sebastian River Preserve. Okay.
You can go up ahead to the right is where.
Yeah, let's just take a look. That might just take us up to the road.
Oh yeah, maybe.
But we can check it out.
Yeah. Why not, right? Got all the time in the world.
Sorry. Okay, for reference, the bridge was about 1.5 to 2 miles from where we parked. We'll try to insert the name of where we parked.
It's 1.5 miles to 2 miles.
What?
No.
Yeah, it was over a mile.
To the bridge?
Yeah, we've gone
Oh, okay.
2.5 miles at this point.
Okay.
And we didn't go that much farther after it.
Okay.
There's another little park. Park area. There's another little trail over here, Kerri.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Map. I don't know where that goes. We'll have to check that out quick here.
Yeah.
Threatened and endanger plants.
Bathrooms.
There's the manatees.
Can't get in there.
Closed. All right. We'll go down this way, see where it goes quick.
Sure. Oh, doesn't go very far. Okay. Just a nice lookout.
Yeah.
You see different animals. Probably not. Too much brush.
Okay. Did you see if that... No. There. Doors are locked. So the choice we can take is, it looks like we could take the sidewalk all the way back or go back over the bridge.
I want to go over the bridge.
Go over the bridge. Good answer. This isn't bad to ride on. This is pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's the other stuff that's a little bit more.
Yeah. This weather is perfect.
Okay, almost to the flat stuff. Ah, much better. Adjust this camera a little bit. It keeps shaking. Oh, some deer, real deer. Right down here, there's some deer. Got 2 deer, oh, there they go. It's okay guys, you don't have to run.
Don't see those very often
Not that size.
No.
Usually you see a lot smaller ones.
here in Florida.
Yeah.
New York, they're everywhere, but here it's a rare sight.
So they do have a fence between the highway and them. That's one way Florida tries to keep them from hitting.
Yeah, it's good.
So once again, that's 95, I-95 coming below us. All right, we're at 3.5 miles at the moment here. We'll see where we are at the, where we parked. It's about a mile, 0.7 to get to the bridge from here.
So you started it when we started riding. How long have we been going?
Well, we were at the bridge at 3.5 miles.
How many minutes?
Oh, I didn't track the minutes. I just tracked the time, or miles.
Oh, yours doesn't tell you how long you've been going?
It does. I mean, total, but
I
I'm
know
just
we
trying to
had
measure
stops.
the amount of time it took from the parking lot here.
Yeah. Oh,
It's
a
about
bunny. A bunny.
1.78. Let's, yeah, there's a pool here. Okay.
It looks like
Yeah,
it's pretty rough.
you want to go that way or
No,
not?
it's okay.
Skip? All right,
We'll skip it.
go in the grass here.
Good morning.
So the trail does continue that way. Just a little bit rougher, but yeah, here we are. Well, everyone, thanks for watching, sticking around. Until we ride again. Bye.